Step 1. First of all, the topic to be talked about should be researched to show confidence to anyone watching the tutorial video. Second step. Organize the time and have a good place. There must be a noisy and boring place, depending on the theme of video. Third step. The subject must be written for reader security in a script that the reader understands perfectly. Fourth step. Structure the subject into blocks, depending on the duration planned. Fifth step. After the script, choose a recording program depending on the operation system. The program must be set up, resolution, microphone, and other things. Sixth step. For the last time, the script is reviewed to improve the content and start recording audio in parts if the entire script is not memorized. Seventh step. After recording audio, the video will start recording. Much of this must be done over time to achieve visual and auditory coordination. Eighth step. To improve the presentation before uploading a video, a base of logo can make a difference. The logo needs to be created over time, catching colors. Ninth step. Using hyperlinks or tags fills the video with content. 10th step. Finally, to get a good video tutorial, after having given a good goodbye, you can make the visit back in another future video.